Hi, this is Brett Ingram, and welcome to the JV page for Soci Dynamo. Soci Dynamo is brand new software that allows anybody to build compelling, viral traffic generating, commission generating websites in just minutes with point and click ease. The way it works is it allows you to go out and find the hottest and most viral videos, Facebook and Twitter content, and pull it into your own site. And it creates a Pinterest style website for you with all the viral content right on there. In addition to that, it allows you to add Amazon, Commission Junction, and eBay products directly to the page as well. And so not only can you drive a lot of traffic to the page, but also you can earn hands-free affiliate commissions as well. This is an absolute no-brainer of a product that creates beautiful websites in any niche and any sort of market that you're in. And so there's a huge market for it. It's a WordPress plugin, so it's very simple to use. People are already familiar with how to upload and activate a plugin. So this promises to be one of the best sellers of the year. Now, you want to mark the dates on your calendar. All the information is below this video. You'll see the launch date. We are having a launch contest where we'll be giving away several $1,000s in prizes. We'll also be having some launch contests or some contests that go throughout the launch period as well. Little short daily contests and things like that. And I do reciprocate and promote hard for my partners. So you do your best for me and I will in turn do my best for you as well. Now, I always test my offers extensively. So it's important that you know that before you go to promote, I've already tested this. I already know that it converts really, really well before you ever go to click promote. So all you need to do is mark the dates down on your calendar, be prepared to mail at least 3 times because that's how you're going to get the best results. And you can sign up for the JV updates here on the page as well. You can check out the demo, the sales video preview, and everything else as well. Mark the dates on your calendar, and I look forward to seeing you on launch day.